This is going to be a video tutorial on how to prevent people from tagging you on their Instagram posts, such as their pictures or videos. I'll be using an iPhone for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone opened up now, and I am on the Instagram app. To prevent people from tagging you in their photos and videos, first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3 Bar Hamburger Menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you will tap on Settings. And from here you will tap on Privacy. And then you need to tap on Posts. And then right in this area right here, Allow Tags From. By default it's set to everybody. You can change that to people you follow. That means only people you follow can tag you in their pictures and videos. Or you can change it to no one. If you want to block everyone from tagging you, you would select no one. But that is how you prevent people from tagging you on Instagram. Thanks for watching.